Hello student, today we will learn nested classes in Python. So here what are nested classes or inner classes? Here B is inner class and A is outer class. So we have created two class. We will create two classes here. One is A, another one is a B. And A class, assume A class has an object OB. A class is an object OB and B class will have an object OB1. This we will create. So how to handle inner classes or nested classes in Python? Let us see them. Here what we will do, we will create class A. So here is a class A, and we are initializing one instance variable in this self.a equal to 10. So init is a constructor method which is being used to initialize your data member A on object creation. Then we have defined one method here, def display, and which will be displaying that this is class this displaying that the value of A is this, I mean which is belonging to your class A outer class. And inside this we are creating another class, and that class is B class. B class is also having a constructor method, that is init. With the help of this we are initializing one variable of B class, that is self.b equal to 20, and we have made a similar function in the B class as well, def display, and here we are trying to display value of this member self.b, and that we are doing with value of B self.b. But the important thing is here, that is how to create object of B class so that we will be able to access it from outer class from your main program. So this is your main part. Now from in the main program we will be creating an object of A class, that we have done OBA. Then OB.display we have we have called the method of A class. But now in the B class, as I was telling, that here we have created object of B class inside A. We have created object of B class inside A class. So it is OB1 equal to B. And how we are calling it? We are calling it ob.ob1.display. So that means outer class object, inner class object, and then the method. So whenever the nested or inner classes are there, what you will have to do, you will have to keep in sequence. I mean you will have to move uh, from outer to inner like this, and then whatever method you want to access or whatever instance variable you want to access, that you can access by membership operator. ob1 dot, this is membership operator. So like this is an example of inner classes or nested classes in Python. So here if it is clear to you, you can have a question for as a homework which you can try out, please. In this example, what I am trying to do, I want to create one class, and that is a tree class. And in the tree class I am trying to define everything about a tree: the root, stem, it is stem please, branches, leaf, buds, and then we are trying to get data for these, and we are trying to display all the data of whatever we have about this tree. Then inside this we want to create one more class, that is nested class. So there is a nest in the tree, and so tree will be outer class and nest will be inner class. In that one I just want to define everything about data members like kid1, kid2, and its member methods, like I want to get data for it, I want to display it, and then total members and food arrangement. So this is a homework which you can try out, please. So thank you very much.